Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be making citrus soap with orange zest. Okay, first you're going to need a glycerin soap base. And you're going to need orange zest, dried. Make sure it's dried. Next thing you're going to need is some essential oil of your choice. I like this grapefruit basil lime. Rubbing alcohol and the soap coloring is optional. Okay, so you're going to need a scale that's sensitive enough to pick up on ounces, a glass measuring cup to melt your soap in. This is optional, just a glass jar or just any container to mix something in, and 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, and something to stir the soap with. Okay. The last thing you'll need is a soap mold. I'm going to be using this one and the one to the left. Okay. Alright, let's get into making it. So you want 1/4 teaspoon of orange zest and 1/4 teaspoon of essential oil. This makes a lightly scented soap, so add more if you want a stronger scented soap. Your choice. Alright, so I'm just crushing the orange zest because it was a little stuck together. Alright, so put the other stuff aside and add 4 ounces of soap. Okay, so microwave it in 1 minute intervals. This only took 1 minute, so that's pretty awesome, you know. So you just want it to not have any chunks in it. It will be pretty hot, so don't touch. Alright, so add your ingredients in the soap. You could, instead of mixing these beforehand, you could have just added them afterwards, because you probably waste a little bit of the essential oil because it might stick in the glass. So you could have just done that afterwards, but I want it to be special. Alright, so at this point, you just want to slowly stir the mixture in with the soap. You don't want to do too quickly because it might create bubbles. Alright, so now you want to spray your soap molds with some rubbing alcohol, just a few sprays each. And then, I'm just doing this to be fancy, but I'm adding some of the orange zest at the bottom of the soap molds, which will be the top of the soap, y'all. Alright, this just makes it look cute and fancy. Okay, cool. Alright, so there we go, adding the soap mixture. By the way, I didn't end up adding any of the soap coloring because I forgot. Also because I forgot. Also, okay, so next, add the rubbing alcohol, a few sprays on top of them. And then just let the soap sit for a few hours. And boom! It's hard. It's all it takes. Pretty easy, right? Don't mind my chewed up fingernails. I have issues. So yeah, this takes a while to get out if you're like me. Most of you probably aren't, so you'll have an easier time. So yeah. But there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, get those soaps out, bitches. Beautiful. Look at that beauty. Isn't that beautiful? Like, who wouldn't want that in their bathroom or kitchen? Alright, so I'm just showing you how it looks washing my hands with my new soap. As you can see, it lathers really nicely. Like, look at that beautifulness. Isn't that just great? Making your own soap, like, who would have thunk it? I know I wouldn't have. Like, it's just great looking. So, yeah, try this at home. Or try this at your grandma's house. I don't know. Your choice. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, thumbs it down. I don't really care, actually. Bye.